Hello everyone. Do you want to clear prelims 2021 in any cost? Are you struggling to clear prelims? I am preparing but I am unable to know where I am losing. Why I am unable to clear the prelims where my friends are clearing the prelims and writing mains. So for those students, exclusive those students, focusing on those students, those aspirants who are unable, who are suffering, who are not clearing the prelims, we are coming up with the pro prelims test series from January 10th onwards. Already we started from October 15th, which was a challenging prelims and which is continuing, and now we are coming up with pro prelims test series, exclusively focusing on those students who are unable to clear the prelims. We are going to, as a team, as an individual, I am going to support you on daily basis, on hourly basis. You will be having my phone number. In any cost you can call me, any doubt you can call me, you can solve your doubts. I will be becoming your study partner for this pro prelims test series, continuous to our challenging prelims test series which started in October 15, 2020. Now it's the pro prelims test series which is cycle 2 of the challenging test series which started in October 15. This is called as pro prelims test series. So we are going to conduct in this particular module of pro prelims test series, I am coming up with 38 tests. Are you thinking only 38 tests? I will explain you clearly. So there is 18 GS sectional tests, means weekly tests of 100 MCQs with explanation, which are covering current affairs. A clear-cut syllabus is there. A clear explained syllabus will be there on that syllabus on every Sunday. But we are not having those many Sundays, so we divided in between. After 2-3 weeks, we are having every week 2 tests. And 18 GS sectional tests which are also covering the current affairs, plus 10 GS comprehensive test papers and 10 CSAT comprehensive paper tests. Overall 38 tests, but with that we are also giving 12 complementary tests free, which is static oriented tests. Economy 2 question paper, history 3 question papers, polity 3 question papers, geography 2 question papers, environment 2 question papers, static part 12 plus 38, overall 100 MCQs, means 5000 MCQs with explanations you will be having. For that we are also providing the explanation classes. For this 12 complementary classes you are going to have the explanation classes as well. You can write the exams multiple times according to your convenience. Artificial intelligence enabled test series. Your performance, your accuracy, your attempt, your time, everything will be provided in the form of artificial intelligence. Self-enabled test series. With our team guidance, with my personal approach, we are going to start this pro prelims test series 2021, exclusively focusing on those aspirants who are struggling to clear the prelims 2021. Features. Most important current affairs, we will be having the classes. It's not a series like any other place. I will be taking the classes. As a team, we will be taking the classes. Exam oriented topics, we will be taking the classes in between. Like economic survey, we will be having the classes. Budget, we will be having the classes. Government schemes, we will be having the classes. Not to cover the syllabus, to focus as if you have to clear the examination. A personal interest will be there. As if I am writing exam, I will be preparing for your prelims exam, for your prelims 2021. I am telling you, this is, if you want to clear the prelims, this is the best approach. I know the pain of the students who could not clear the prelims examination. Why? Because I am also one of the time in the history, I am also one of the aspirant. So from the struggles of the students, from the pains of the students, there is a requirement of a handhold approach. For that handhold approach, I am coming up with this prelims 2021 modules. So earlier we started challenging prelims batch. We are having a very good results, and now we are continuing to it. We are coming up with pro prelims from Jan 2021 for prelims 2021. Relating static topics are covered. Related static topics classes are covered. Classrooms are also provided with this test series. How to approach. Materials are provided by us. Content is provided by us. not just tests, my dear. Features of this particular program: grand tests are divided into daily mini tests. I didn't told you this. So I told you will be having weekly test. I told you about you will be having sectional tests. So for that sectional test, for that weekly test of 100 MCQs, daily test you will be having. So that for that weekly Sunday test, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you will be preparing for the Sunday test. We will be forcing you to prepare. We will be reminding you for preparing. We will be reminding you, not by mails, not by messages, which is artificial enabled. No, personally I will be messaging. What is the performance? We want your performance. We want your clearing of the prelims. So total grand tests are divided into daily mini tests with daily guidance as well. Any doubt, anything, anyone you want, we are ready to help you for this particular 2021 prelims. Doubt clearing sessions you will be having, and test discussion sessions also you will be having. The top notch faculties who know how to clear the prelims, who wrote prelims, who have proper idea how to clear the prelims, those people will be taking the classes. They took the classes from October 10th onwards. The same will be moving forward. I am telling you, test-wise performance, accuracy and ranks are given daily using artificial intelligence technology. That is also there. A self-awareness creation app we had. In that app you will be getting the information of the tests, of your performance, and comparison with your colleagues, comparison with your friends. How many answers you are enabled, how many answers you can write, why you are not performing, which subject you are not performing. A graphical representation will be provided in the app. For the app link, you see our description in the YouTube. You will get the app, you can download it. Android link is provided, iOS link is provided. And accessibility we will be providing. So all the best, my dear. This is a very good chance. This is a new year. Tomorrow morning you are going to have the new year 2021. I worship the God. I pray the God that at least 2021 we should not have any corona type of thing. And you have to crack the examination. You have to come out with the flying colors after the prelims examination. And again you have to plan for mains examination. All the best. Thank you. Advance wish you Happy New Year.